So what is AI? Now, that's a huge question and one that's going to take a lot longer than the time that I have to explain. Think of your ChatGPTs, your Microsoft Copilots, Google Gemini, etc.
The past already happened, the future hasn't happened yet. So if you're not living in the present moment, you're not living in reality.
The visual has to tell us more than columns and rows of numbers ever would. Right now, it's just highlighting and lowlighting, correct? Okay, keep that in mind.
Let's talk about nested if statements. We can read it from left to right. If the value is greater than or equal to this, then do this.
We're going to learn the easiest way to create a flow. You'll see that I can go through each of the pieces here. Each one is called a step.
For example, when I sign into my personal account, I have access to a history,
but it's also worth noting that a lot of our millennials are people who came into their adulthood during sort of major upheavals like the 2008 financial crash.
So these are really the best options, the ones that you might want to consider to bring into your meetings.
Attackers are always creating new malware and viruses. Over 18 million sites are infected with malware at a given time each week.
So it doesn't have to be just simple things like an FAQ. Again, use it for emails. You can ask it for pointers. You can ask it to create blog posts for you.
I always say nothing we do is worth getting hurt for, and you should adopt that mentality at your site.
Let me show you how it's done. So here, as we can see, I'm logged into my Gmail account.
Characteristics that you maybe would have to share with a stranger in order for them to know. For example, secondary diversity can include religion, education, geographic location.
Ensure that each employee has the ability to work remotely before giving them the green light to embrace it.
So to do so, you're just going to go to that take a note box right along the top, and you can really just start typing